Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing a game called Microbial Sector. I believe it's a pretty short game and it has multiple endings. I found this on itch.io while I was browsing through the many games. Rather not browsing, I found it at pretty much the top of the page I think, but as I was looking around the various sections of good horror games, bad horror games, games that don't really look like horror games and more like some sort of pornography, but that is not the point. This game has about 6 endings, I believe, and I guess we'll see how many we get. It depends on how fast we can play through the game. This is not going to be a speed run. I am going to simply play the game, and we're going to see how far we get. So, without further ado, why don't I actually get started? Warning! This game contains flashing light. Okay, I didn't have enough time. Microbial Sector. Fuck. I don't have any fucking time. It's your first day on the job. Not much information was given about it, but you really need the money. No period. Oh, and here we are. WASD to move. I am in an elevator. Look with mouse. I already learned that game. Left mouse button and E or E. Okay. So it can either be left mouse button or E. This game is very loud. Oh my god. Have any of you ever played, shit, I can't remember the game. I think it was the game made by the same developer of Iron Lung. It was about, I believe you were in some sort of facility, and basically, in a private room, you were trying to drill through a wall and escape to the outer world. And, that turned south pretty quick. But anyways, that's what this game reminds me of. It looks like we're gonna be opening this door. Okay. We are in a little room where we are a scientist. Instructions. Welcome to your first day as a life form researcher. We are thrilled to have you join our team. Below are your tasks and instructions for operating the equipment. I'm sounding way too excited about this. I'm sorry, I need to tone it down a little. Let me try this. Press the... I can't think of the name button to start the conveyor belt. Pick up the object that requires research and place the object on the platform with the cross, also known as a plus mark, but cross works too. Scan the object using the scan button. Use the looks kind of like a claw machine. Use the claw button to remove or put on the glass cover. Use the eye button to lower the microscope for a closer examination of the object. Each life form has a code. Type the code into the keypad after scanning the object. If you don't see the life form in our system, type in 0000 on the keypad instead. I can't read. Pick up the object again and place it back on the conveyor belt. Now press the forward button again to send the object to the next researcher. All that went in one end and out the other. Wait. In one ear and out the other. Okay, a lot of ambient noises. So, basically, we are going to press this button, and a little object is going to approach us. Look at this thing. 8283. Amoeba australis. Amoeba australis are small, translucent organisms shaped like water droplets with a bioluminescent star-shaped structure inside. These fascinating protozoans glow gently and are typically found on plant surfaces in moist, humid environments. Their presence indicates a healthy, organic, rich habitat. Okay, let's actually get researching. So we place this on the cross plus mark. Next up, we are going to scan the object. It looks like a little plant. It even has its own little biome. That's the word. Not quite. Do I have to find it in one of these? I guess I will take this off. And we're going to see what we find with the telescope. Microscope. Rather, this is not a telescope. Oh dear God. Okay. Interesting. Am I to find one of these? Yeah. 𝕊𝕔𝕚𝕖𝕟𝕔𝕖. I actually pronounced that. 𝕊𝕔𝕚𝕖𝕟𝕔𝕖 is a species of fungus characterized by its unique radiating spore pattern. The image displays the distinct circular structure of the sporangium, which exhibits a sunburst-like appearance with elongated striations emanating from the center. This fungal species belongs to the Mucorales order, maybe, and is commonly found growing out of stems from plants and flowers. Its distinctive morphology makes it an easily recognizable under a microscope, aiding in its identification and study in mycological research. 0214. Enter. We're gonna put this back on. I think that's everything. I hope. Man, I really hope I'm not screwing this up. It's my first day on the job. Hell, I don't even have a degree or anything. No sorts of bachelor's degree, no doctorate, no PhD. I don't even know how to research, yet here I am. And, fuck. I don't think it matters what order we do it in, so I'm gonna scan this. Okay. We've got a weird plant here. Enhance. What is that, a wall? Oh my god. No, it's the plant. That's awesome, bro. Let me zoom out so I can actually see things. Ooh. What is that creature? Oh, look at that. It's the thing I was talking about earlier. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. It is this thing. 8283. There we go. Here we have a piece of bark. I can already see the little things on it. Very interesting indeed. I am a researcher. I'm researching, guys. Trust me. 2917. Luminifera filiformis. Luminifera filiformis, more commonly known as phosphor tendrils, are slender, glowing tendrils that emit a bright green light. These tendrils are typically found growing on dead trees and bark, where they anchor themselves into the decaying wood. The bioluminescence of phosphor tendrils provides a faint, eerie illumination, creating a mesmerizing display. They are studied for their potential applications in natural lighting and bioluminescent research. 2917. We have a human head! Or a pile of mud. Whichever you prefer. That's a new sound. Or not, and I might just be kind of forgetful. Look at that thing on his head, bro. Nice hair. This is clearly a pile of mud. What am I talking about? Man, didn't take much to see that. 𝕊𝕚𝕚𝕚 is a recently discovered organism known for its translucent blue growths that infect animals and plants. These organisms feature elongated tentacle-like structures that draw nutrients from their hosts. Infection leads to rapid, unpredictable mutations in the host. 𝕊𝕚𝕚𝕚's effects and life cycle are still largely unknown, making it a significant focus of ongoing scientific research. That's cool. That thing is definitely not going to take over the building. I'm not going to see my coworker with one of those things on his head, am I? This game is a lot of reading. Oh, look at that. So when am I Oh, lunch break, okay. Oh, okay. Do I eat this? What do I do with this? Am I not allowed to look that way? I guess. What the hell is going on? Is that a bug? I'm gonna eat my lunch. Delicious. What do we... That's awesome, bro. That must have been delicious. And the game is crashing. What's going on? Oh, we're good. We're good. Okay. Alright. Back to my research after that short break. We got a mushroom. I can see something there. Oh, fuck. Yup. Mm-hmm. Nasty thing. That is definitely the Mucor heliocyclus. 100% sure. Nasty stuff. I knew a friend that got infected with that. Turned him gay. You do not want to mess with that. Mm-mm. So why is my lunch break room just open? Oh wait, we got something. There's definitely something there. What the hell is that? Is that a tardigrade? One of these tardigrade thingamabobs? Could be that, but also it didn't quite look like that. Oh, there we go. Acarus ferrugineus, commonly known as rust mites, are tiny mites characterized by their reddish-colored bodies and 8 legs. These mites are typically invisible to the naked eye. No, they're not. I could see that thing fine. Though fully grown specimens may appear as small as red dots. Okay, I guess it was a fully grown specimen. Rust mites are often found on metallic surfaces where rust is present. Ooh, my goodness! You made a little mess there. I don't want to take it out of its enclosure. Fucking me. Fucking me. What? Let me take a good look at this. Okay. Well, I guess it doesn't matter that I didn't want to take it out because it escaped anyway. Oh, fuck. That ain't good. It's open. Okay. We're following Blue's clues. Am I gonna find a dead scientist friend in here? Not even. Aw. It's a cat. Hello. I can't pick up the cat. This is torturous. I don't want to play this game no more. What is all that? Guess we're flipping the breaker. Hey, buddy. I guess we're moving on to greener pastures. I've earned a promotion. And I get to go to the upper floors. I have in fact moved down in the world. I cannot choose what floor I go to, and it looks like I'm in the basement. This is where all the dregs of society live, and a lot of homeless people like to squat in here. I'm gonna ignore that. My vision is getting fuzzy. I don't know if that's a weird light issue. Oh my gosh. Okay. The creature latched onto your face, and as your vision blurred, you felt your body begin to change. Changed, you say? Am I turning into a furry? Oh! And that's one ending. Okay. We'll have another go, I suppose. We'll see what other endings we can get. I'll do one more. One more for good old time's sake. Why not? Let's get researching. It's time to take a shit on the company's time. I don't even have to shit sometimes. Just sitting on the toilet as time goes by. Yeah, we know what this is. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. Can I watch some pornography? I wish I could. I don't think the company's gonna let me, though. I didn't even get to see some of these. What the fuck is that? Okay. God, office work sucks! I want to go home! God, that lunch break is the scariest thing ever. I almost shit myself. Oh my god. Delicious. Ugh. My lunch break is over. I fucking swallowed that slop real quick. That green goopy shit went sliding down my throat, just like the old days. What the fuck am I talking about? I'm gonna keep a close eye on you, mister. I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. I am not letting you come on my face. What the? I'm watching you, mister. Fuck. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's right. You move on, Buster. Oh. Oh! Okay. I didn't do anything wrong here. That was not my fault. Cool. What a neat little room. I cannot take the elevator. Okay. Is that what it looks like? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, you can see how many endings we got. I think that'll be it for now. Honestly, I got scared a couple times, mainly by the lunch break time. That's what it's called. Lunchtime, maybe? Lunch break? There we go. That's probably the right word. And the weird blue tentacle monster when he jumped on my face and proceeded to kill me. This is a pretty cool game, honestly. If you guys want to check out the rest of the endings, I'll leave a link to the game in the description, and you can try it out for yourself. I don't want to spoil anything in case you thought this was interesting and you want to see what the other endings are like. I think there's 4 more. I did kind of spoil some things though, didn't I? Oh well, it'll be alright. Anyways, I had a fun time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's gonna be all. Thank you for watching, and good night.